Here's an interesting experiment for you. I did this road 6 years ago in 2014 and this weekend. And you see in the insert that's 6 years ago, and the full screen that's today. It's a road that leads down to the Saarbach Valley, named after the Saarbach, a creek that has shaped that valley long ago. And it is an interesting road because it has a couple of hairpin turns. Well, generally, you can fly down. You have to be mindful to reduce your speed in time ahead of these hairpin turns. When I did it in 2014, I didn't know that road. So I went into the first turn too fast, at least too fast for the abilities of the Quest, which had 90mm drum brakes, but no cooling tower, so they didn't have the same quality as the brakes. That was here, and I was a bit too fast on the Quest in this, and was rather cautious thereafter. I don't want to talk too much here, just let you watch these turns and give you an occasional comment. See, there's one coming up. That's 180 degrees, pretty sharp. Speed goes down to 15 kilometers an hour. And another one ahead. Wow, reduce that speed now to, 20, again, 15 kilometers an hour at the lowest. Now there's some easy roll-in, some curves, but not too sharp. That can be controlled quite easily, and it's a lot of fun to ride. But there are 3 more hairpins coming up. The first one is just ahead here. And the second one is not far. See that roadie coming up there? That's, I think, a pretty popular climbing route for roadies. I have never climbed it up, but I have been down here, I think, 3 times altogether. And the next one. You may wonder why I go into the center of the lane. It's to make it a bit easier because I can see cars are coming up as I approach the hairpin. And the final one, as narrow, sharp, need for control as the other ones. All right, and that's done. And this is the rollout now. There's a place on the side of the road where you can stop. We stop there now, as we did back then, to just cool off the brakes because they were smelling. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.